Hello students. Last day in my last class I was discussing about the different factors which are influencing the distribution of population, and today we start another topic, that is population growth, which is most important in population geography. First of all, what is population growth? Actually, the population growth is the change of population or the change of rate of population. So it will be either positive change or negative change. So the first question from this topic, write down in your copy, that is, what is population growth? The population growth, or you can say also population change, refers to the change in number of inhabitants of a territory or a area or a state or a country during a specific period of time. So it is the definition of population growth or population change. It will be it may be a positive change or it may be negative change. It can be expressed either in terms of absolute number or in percentage. Population change in an area is an important indicator of economic development. That means the countries which has maximum population growth, that means positive growth, that means they are economically underdeveloped. But the countries which has negative population growth, that means these countries are economically developed countries. Social and also the important indicators of social upliftment and historical and cultural background of the region. So this is in the page number 10, and the book is Fundamental of Human Geography. Some basic concepts of population geography. So when we study about population geography, there are some basic concepts which we have to study, like growth of population, which I already told you now. Second is growth rate of population. So what is growth rate of population? This is the change of population expressed in percentage. That means when we express the change of population in percentage, then we can say, call it the growth rate of population. Next is natural growth of population. What is natural growth? Natural growth means this is the population increased by difference between the birth and the death in a particular region between 2 points of time. That means a specific area or a specific region, the difference, the increase of population, the increased number of population of an area, which we calculate by the difference between the birth rate and also the death rate of the particular area, then we find out the natural growth of population. Okay, so next topic or next point is, that is positive growth of population. What is positive growth of population? This happens when the birth rate is more than the death rate between 2 points of time, or when people from other countries migrate permanently to a region. That means positive growth rate means when the birth rate is more than death rate, and also when the migration rate is heavier. Heavier means when people from other countries came to migrate to permanent this region, then it is called positive growth of population. Next is negative growth of population. What is negative growth? If the population decreases, when the population decreases in a specific country or a specific area or a specific state, then it will be called negative growth rate, and it is happened between 2 points, specific 2 points of times.